Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Okay, number one, my bad eye is acting up horribly. It is getting hot, allergies are hitting. I can already tell it's like swollen. It's very painful. This is life in the Midwest. So yeah, if you guys just wonder like what's going on, it's allergies. There's absolutely nothing I can do. This is just how my body reacts. Second thing, I was trying to figure out what do I want to do like for a look, because I bought this palette a while ago. It's not too horribly of an older release, but it's the Colourpop Heavy Petal palette. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I got it on one of their recent sales, and here's what this looks like. I just think it's really pretty, and I just kind of want to do just something not too crazy, but just beautiful. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just in I just had a really rough couple weeks. And I just kind of want to do something simpler. I don't know. At the same time, I'm like, I miss colorful looks, but I'm just in a weird space right now with my mental health and all the things that are stressing me out. There's a lot going on in my life and things just keep getting worse. So anyway, here we are. Let's just do some makeup. Let's just relax. Sorry, my eye is like hurting so bad. Do I have the brain capacity to figure out two different looks? No, I don't. I'm sorry. The brain is just not braining today. Let's start out with, I really want to start with the shade Peony. It just looks so beautiful. It is one of the shades that has like the sparkle flecks in it, but that doesn't really bother me. And most of them just kind of blend out anyway. But I just think this is a really, really, really pretty shade to start out with. You guys, how are you all doing? Like, how are you holding up? How is your life going? You know what, you guys, is this the good video to do this in? I don't know. I always make the wrong choices. You know what? I just have a couple questions for all of you because I want to bring you the best content that you enjoy. And so we're going to do a reverse Q&A. This is totally, I mentioned this before, kind of forgot about it, and it just popped in my head and I was like, let's do it. Today's the day. So it's going to be like a reverse Q&A, I guess. I'm going to ask y'all the questions. So if you don't mind, please respond down below. So yeah, let's see, first question. How did you find my channel? How did you find my channel? The next question. What made you subscribe to my channel? Why do you keep coming back to watch my content? Let's see. Next question. I'm gonna go in with the shade Feeling Good because like it is just so pretty. Next question. Are you more of a drugstore lover or more of an indie makeup lover? Because I'm assuming if you're here, if you found me, if you regularly tune in to my channel, you love one of the two. What do you prefer and why do you prefer it? Okay, so the next question. Do you prefer a full face of makeup or just the eyeshadow? So full face of makeup or just eyeshadow? And if you love both, like that's totally an acceptable answer as well. I just love this shade so much. Like it is so pretty. Let's see. Next question. What is your favorite drugstore brand? And what is your favorite indie brand? Sorry, my eye, like, it's like just keeps swelling and swelling, you guys. Okay, and then next question, maybe the last one. Is there a brand that you would like to see featured on my channel more, or that I have not done any looks with. Again, I'm just trying to figure out what y'all love. Like what can I do more of that will make you all happy? I'm just trying to figure that out. And then also, is there a brand that you would like to see less of on my channel? I'm just curious. We're taking the polls. We're doing all the things right now. You guys, I don't want to go back in with that shade, but it's like so pretty. I kind of want to put it on the eye and wait, let's see. What does this shade do? Okay. I'm just like trying to figure all the things out. I do. Okay, we're gonna go back in with that shade just because. So the shade Feeling Grounded, and I'm just gonna put more of it on my lid because I just absolutely like, I did not expect to love this shade as much as I do, but it is just absolutely beautiful, and I just like, I can't get enough of it. All right, you guys, so if you don't mind, please answer those questions in the comments below. That would just mean so much to me. Again, I'm just trying to figure out what you guys love. What can I do more of to make you happy? Just, you know, all the things, because that's, you know, I just really want to bring you guys the best content possible and things that you enjoy. So if you would not mind just taking the time, answer those questions. And then, like, we might just do one of these, like, every, you know, like, once or twice a year just to check in, see if your thoughts have changed. Of course, if there's something you want to see more of, y'all know, you can just comment down below. It's what I'm here for, you know? This is just, I don't know why I love this shade so much, but, like, it is so beautiful. Like, who am I? And it's just kind of got like a grungy vibe to it, and it's just smoky and beautiful, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I need to stop. I need to do something else. We need to go into something else. Sorry, my eye is just like, I like can't really see. Okay, so that is just so pretty. I don't know what it is, but I love it. Now, let's put some glitter glue down because we're gonna put some shadows over it. Cause like, I love how this looks, but I also feel like this would look really, really cool with the shade Hyacinth, which is this like really pretty lilac-y purple shade. But I also kind of maybe, do I want to go in with like Garden Variety maybe? I don't know. Let's just, we're just gonna go in. Let's start with that purple shade Hyacinth, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna start towards the inner portion of the eye, which I usually don't do, but I'm just really just wanting to, oh, that's pretty. Okay. Yep. Very, very, very pretty. It's giving me blue glow stick vibes. If you remember, like, I know I mentioned this before on the channel when I get a shade like this, but it's like when you were like younger, if you're like my age and you go to the skating rink and they had these like the glow sticks, and then you would like tie them on your skates and it would just like look so cool. That's totally giving me like blue glow stick vibes. So cool. So cool. Very, very, very pretty. And I don't want to take away too much from that first shade, so I'm just kind of like patting it over it, but not going like all the way up to cover it up completely. This is just so pretty. Okay, that's, I love that. I love how this is looking. Okay, now I think maybe, every time I look at the light, you guys, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to not look at you, but whew, my eye is just not good right now. Yeah, let's take the shade Garden Variety and let's just kind of like see how that looks. Because I feel like that'd look really cool on top of this too. And then like mixed with that purple shade just a little bit. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, that, I love this. Very, very pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I think we're just gonna do something super duper duper simple. So let's take the shade Freshly Cut right there. Oh, that eye, everything that gets near it is just so painful. Okay. All right. Whew. You guys, there's like, this is not cool. Okay, so another question. If you have like horrible, painful eye allergies, what do you do? Because like, they make allergy eye drops, but I find those like dry it out too much, so it hurts really bad. And I heard all this weird stuff, like there were a bunch of like issues with like lubricating eye drops, which is what I think I actually need, so I'm kind of afraid to use those. Any tips, or I don't know, I guess I need to research and see if that issue has been resolved, because yeah, I need something. Let's see. Now let's go with the shade Full Sun for that lower inner corner highlight. Alright, you guys, I am going to attempt mascara and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back and here is the finished look. And I don't know, I'm just loving this. Like, I don't know what it is, but that one shade just like made everything just so much more beautiful. And this was the Colourpop Heavy Petal palette. Again, not a new release. I got it on sale. I think it was like maybe $9. It was something I'd had my eye on for a while. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. I just absolutely love how this look turned out. And just a couple things to go over. The lips, which I'm just also loving. This is the Glamlite Kiss Lick Lip Kit. Or no, it's Kiss Lick It Up Lip Kit. Let's see if I can get these out of here. If you know, you know, packaging just does not get along with me well. So the lip liner, absolutely gorgeous. Right here. And then the lipstick, which also freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Just so, so beautiful. And yes, I did pick this up on a Glamlite TikTok live. That is where all the sales are, you guys. You need to check it out. If there's been some products you've been wanting, they do just the most amazing sales on the TikTok. Oh, blush. I had to get a couple more of those NYX Buttermelt blushes because I just love them so much. And so this is one of the newer shades, and it is in the shade Getting Butta. I can't not laugh every time I say Butta. But here is the inside, or the inside. This is what the blush looks like. And I'll just go ahead and do a little rundown of the other ones that I picked up. I also got this one, which is Back and Butter. I just one of those things. Certain words just make me laugh. All right, here is what that looks like. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. NYX is just killing it. Like, they're absolutely phenomenal. And the stuff that they've come out like within like the last year, great. All right, so this is the shade Sooner the Butter. Here is that shade right there. And then the last one that I picked up, this is Had Butter. And like, how freaking beautiful, you guys. These blushes are just absolutely phenomenal. I will try and do swatch video on my YouTube shorts, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully I'll have that up by the time this video goes up. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much. My eyes actually started to feel better, which I'm shocked. It usually takes a couple hours before it kind of calms down. So I'm glad that it's feeling better. Everyone is cutting the grass, so I'm actually terrified to step outside because I feel like that might flare back up. But either way. Oh, and if you watch this through the whole video, please do me a favor. Answer the questions that I asked in the video. It just kind of gives me a better idea of what you guys want to see, what I can do to keep y'all happy. And just kind of lets me know what I need to focus on, more of, less of, whatever, and I'll do my best to accommodate just to keep y'all happy. And yeah, I have been saying, if you can recommend my content to anyone, that would be a huge help to me. I would really appreciate that. And just please remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.